Imagine crafting realistic images where every frame is a masterpiece. Welcome to a world where your imagination brings visions to life. I'm excited to introduce you to PicLumen, the AI image generator that's not only free but also incredibly easy to use, packed with features that rival even the best premium tools. In this session, I'll guide you step by step on how to create stunning AI images, and I'll share exactly how you can monetize these images online. Ready? First, head over to PicLumen.com. Simply search PicLumen AI. It'll be the first result. Or click the link in the description. Before we get started, let's take a quick look at why PicLumen stands out. Here's what makes it amazing. First, it's completely free, beginner-friendly, and generates amazing image quality. Second, you have access to AI models designed for different styles. PicLumen Realistic version 2 for lifelike images. PicLumen Anime version 2 for vibrant anime creations. PicLumen Line Art for detailed sketch-based art. Pony Diffusion for cartoon and whimsical styles. And of course, everyone's favorite, Flux Schnell, the gold standard for ultra-realistic visuals. Exclusive features. PicLumen provides advanced tools like background remover, image upscaler, AI colorizer, and more. Excited? Let's get started. Click Generate for free and sign up quickly using Google, Apple, or your email. Once you log in, you'll land at the community page. PicLumen features 4 main sections. Community, where you can explore images created by others. Choose from categories like featured, hot, and most liked, and use filters to find exactly what you prefer. Create, where you can generate your images. Gallery, where your generated images are stored. And Tool Center, where you can upload any image and describe it using natural language or tag-based prompts, complete with a translation tool for convenience. Now let's make your first image. Ready? Here's what you do. Click the Create button. In this text box, type something simple like an orange cat on a sunny street. Keep it clear and concise. In the prompt helper, you can upload an image reference to preserve a specific style or ensure character consistency. Additionally, prompt magic can be used to conveniently modify the style, painting, or photography of images when writing prompts. Although PicLumen primarily supports English, the auto translation feature is available. If your prompt is in a different language, simply click this button and it will automatically translate your prompt into English. The prompt enhancer refines user inputs, ensuring optimal results for every prompt. Next, select the AI model. For realistic images, I strongly recommend using Flux Schnell. Then choose dimensions suitable for Instagram or other social platforms. Then set the number of image generation. Up to 2 per prompt are free, which is typically sufficient. Then click Generate to create the image and watch the magic happen. Wow, look at that. It's realistic, adorable, and totally ready for an Instagram post. Let's quickly look at some advanced options that PicLumen offers to enhance your image quality. You can adjust the guidance scale. It controls how strongly your prompt influences the final image. Stick around 5 for best results. You can also determine the number of steps used to create the image. Higher steps equal more detail, but take slightly longer. Experiment to find your balance. Additionally, set the seed number to recreate similar styles in future prompts, and a negative prompt to specify what you don't want in the generated image. Use these advanced settings to fine-tune your masterpiece, but don't overthink it. Simple prompts work perfectly too. Alright, let's try to generate an image with a more detailed prompt. For example, a mythical being face shaped by a river of golden honey, divine and beautiful. Headshot, photorealistic, perfect golden sunlights. Select the model, PicLumen Art version 1, and set the style to fantasy, then click Generate. Just wait for the AI to generate the image. And just like that, boom, look at the details. It's incredibly lifelike. Let's try another one. This time, we'll use a character reference for the image. Type the prompt, goddess holding a Pandora box, beautiful long hair and glowing lights in the style of anime art, frozen movement, shiny glossy, aurora punk, hyper-detailed illustrations, rococo-inspired art. Upload your image reference. Here, I have an example photo uploaded. Click the image to apply and then select the model PicLumen Realistic version 2. Once it's done, click Enter to submit the task. Wow, just look at the result. Absolutely fantastic. I can't believe how stunning this turned out. Your prompts determine your success. Here's exactly how to write effective AI image prompts. When writing prompts, be clear and detailed. A good prompt includes composition, subject, action, body, and background elements. Here's a simple breakdown of a good prompt. Composition include the style, such as photorealistic, the viewpoint, like wide angle, and quality, such as high resolution or ultra detailed. Subject, clearly define the main subject, such as a boy, girl, or animal. Action, specify what your subject is doing, including behavior, such as running or jumping, and posture, such as standing, sitting, or lying down. Body and details, describe clothing, facial features like eye color and hairstyle, expressions such as angry, sad, or excited, and key physical details like body type, skin tone, or unique trait. Background, mention the environment, whether it's indoor or outdoor, cityscape, and the type of lighting, like natural or artificial light. Include the weather conditions, such as sunny, rainy, or snowy, and any additional objects like vehicles, trees, or buildings. Now let's combine these elements to craft a detailed and vivid example using the prompt structure. Here's the prompt, and as you can see, I've highlighted the structure used. Style, photorealistic, cinematic masterpiece. Quality, ultra detailed, high aesthetic. Subject, one girl. Viewpoint, close up, looking at the viewer. Background, enchanted forest background, twilight atmosphere. Facial features, glowing green eyes, intricate face tattoos, pointed ears, flowing hair with flowers. Lighting, soft, shimmering light effects. The more precise your prompt, the better the image will be. Now, let me remove this structure once it's ready. Copy the prompt and paste it into the text prompt generator. Select the Flux model and set the surrealism style, then click enter to generate the image. As you can see, the details and quality of the image are impressive. PicLumen doesn't stop at generating images. Check out these amazing built-in tools. Background Remover lets you instantly remove backgrounds for cleaner and more professional visuals. Just click this and let the AI do its magic. And in seconds, you will have a transparent background ready for use in any project like presentations, thumbnails, designs, and more. Image Upscaler will increase the image quality, but this feature is only available with the premium version. In Painting, replace specific objects seamlessly using AI. Colorizer, turn black and white images into vibrant color pictures instantly. You can expand and describe the image. These exclusive features add incredible value and help you create professional level visuals effortlessly. Now the fun part, making money. Here are 2 proven ways to turn your AI images into income. First, posting on Instagram, create motivational quotes over stunning AI-generated backgrounds. Be consistent. Post at least 3 times a day. Even with just a few thousand followers, you can start earning a solid side income through affiliate links, shoutouts, or selling your own products. Second, freelancing. Offer your unique images on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Right now, digital artists are charging up to $50 per image, and people are buying. Remember, consistency plus creativity equals long-term success. This isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building a steady passive income doing something you love. Quick tips for guaranteed success. Consistency, post regularly, and engage with your audience. Quality. Always prioritize visually attractive images. Creativity, constantly experiment with styles, prompts, and features. Combine these 3 factors and success will follow naturally. See how easy that was? We've gone from a simple text idea to a complete, professional-looking image, entirely powered by PicLumen, a free AI tool. Anyone can do this, and yes, that includes you. If you love this, smash that like button, subscribe, and comment below your favorite PicLumen model. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.